If you love camping with good company, this setup is perfect. Just follow the simple rule: no loud noise or foul language from midnight to 6 a.m. Those who break the rule risk being evicted without a refund. But for everyone else, it's a chance to enjoy a cozy, friendly camping experience. The tents are often arranged into small camps, with bonfires glowing between them, making for a warm and inviting atmosphere where you can relax, share stories, and create unforgettable memories under the stars. For those who prefer a more mobile adventure, the Flow Bike team has an exciting solution: the GOO platform. Designed for camping bikes, this platform makes it easier than ever to travel and set up camp wherever you like. With an impressive 200 kilograms load capacity, it can carry all your camping essentials, from gear and supplies to a compact tent. Whether you're on a solo trip or riding with friends, this setup gives you the freedom to explore without limits. The Adventure King's rechargeable LED camping lantern is the perfect travel companion. It's built to last with a powerful lithium battery that charges via USB-C and runs for up to 50 hours on a single charge. Whether you need bright light or just a soft glow, you can choose from 3 settings: high, medium, and low, to fit any situation. But this lantern does more than just light up your campsite. It features an amber floodlight and an amber strobe mode to help keep bugs away, and can even work as an emergency signal. No more worrying about insects ruining your evening or getting caught in the dark without help. For even more convenience, Adventure Kings includes a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, so you can charge 2 devices at once. A handy LED indicator lets you see exactly how much power is left, so you're always prepared. Lightweight, durable, and easy to use, this lantern is perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency situations. The Blackcan 2 Pro is a powerful and rugged speaker designed for any adventure, even on boats. Built to handle splashes, rain, mud, and dust, it's perfect for outdoor use, no matter the conditions. With 8 speakers delivering an incredible 500 watts of sound, your music, movies, and games will feel more immersive than ever. Worried about battery life? No problem. It lasts up to 20 hours on a single charge, keeping the party going all day and night. It also has a built-in microphone, so you can take hands-free calls with ease. Plus, the stylish backlighting on each speaker adds a cool visual touch to your setup. But that's not all. This speaker doubles as a power source. You can charge your smartphone, laptop, and other devices, making it extra handy when you're on the go. With Bluetooth 5.0, you get fast and stable connectivity for seamless streaming. The Colax Heated Hand Warmer Bag is a must-have for anyone who hates cold hands. Whether you're hunting, fishing, camping, or just waiting for the bus on a chilly morning, this little bag will keep your hands warm and cozy in seconds. With 3 heat settings: 37 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees, and 52 degrees Celsius. You can choose the perfect temperature for any weather. A built-in color display makes it easy to check the settings. And the best part? It heats up in just 3 seconds, so you don't have to suffer in the cold for long. The bag is powered by a 5,000 milliamp hour battery that lasts up to 14 hours on a single charge, making it perfect for long days outdoors. Plus, it's designed for comfort and convenience. You can wear it around your neck, over your shoulder, or clip it onto your belt, so it's always within reach. The Furrion E-Robe is more than just a cooler. It's the ultimate travel companion. With space for up to 72 cans, it's perfect for road trips, camping, or off-grid adventures. Its advanced foam insulation keeps things cold a full day longer than most coolers, so your food and drinks stay fresh even in the heat. It's not just about keeping things cold, it also keeps you connected. Built-in USB ports let you charge your phone or other devices on the go, making it ideal for remote trips. The best part? On a single charge, it keeps food cold for up to 5 days. That means less hassle and more time enjoying your adventure. With its sleek design and easy operation, the E-Robe is built for those who love to explore without limits. No ice, no leaks, no stress, just reliable cooling wherever you go. Whether you're camping, living the van life, or preparing for emergencies, this cooler is ready for anything. The Bug Beater 2.0 is the ultimate outdoor chair for bug-free relaxation. No more dealing with sprays, candles, or mosquito coils. Just sit back and enjoy the fresh air without any annoying insects bothering you. This lightweight but sturdy chair supports up to 159 kilograms while weighing only 5 kilograms, making it easy to carry anywhere. It comes with a built-in cooler that holds up to 5 cans, a handy side pocket for essentials, and a cup holder for your drink. The UV-protected roof provides shade, keeping you cool even in the midday sun. Setting it up is quick and effortless. Just unfold it and you're ready to relax. Every detail is designed for comfort and durability, from reinforced seams to a stable frame that holds up on any terrain. Perfect for camping, fishing, picnics, or even backyard lounging, this chair makes outdoor adventures more enjoyable. The Grosho Outdoor Water Purifier is a must-have for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. Whether you're hiking, camping, or in need of emergency water, this compact purifier has you covered. When fully charged, it can clean up to 64 liters of water, which is enough for one person to last 3 days. Its 5-stage filtration system works quickly, processing 700 milliliters per minute to give you clean, safe drinking water. Plus, the filter can last for up to 1,000 liters, depending on the water's condition, so you'll be set for many adventures. Weighing only 350 grams, it's super lightweight and easy to pack in your backpack, making it perfect for long trips or emergency situations. At just $76, this water purifier is an affordable and reliable way to ensure you have access to fresh, drinkable water, no matter where you are. Whether you're out exploring nature or preparing for unexpected situations, the Grosho Water Purifier is a small investment that could make a big difference. Introducing Jaw Batteries, the must-have survival tool for anyone who loves the outdoors. Forget packing extra flashlights, lighters, or other gear. These batteries do it all. The best part? They charge instantly with just water. Add any liquid, whether it's from a puddle, a bottle of soda, or even a bit of pee, and your battery will be fully charged in just 1 minute. These batteries are designed to be safe and non-toxic, so you don't have to worry about leaks or harmful chemicals. Whether you're out on a hike, camping in the wilderness, or stuck in an emergency situation, Jaw batteries will keep your devices powered up. A set of 4 Jaw batteries is available on Indiegogo for a great price, offering a compact, reliable power source you can count on. These batteries are perfect for survivalists, campers, or anyone who needs power in a pinch. No more worrying about finding a plug or running out of battery. Just add water. The New Direction Tackle Smart Band B9 is a game changer for anglers. This handy gadget connects with bite indicators, so if you miss the light signal, the band will buzz to make sure you don't miss a catch. Plus, you can use it to control your headlamp, giving you more convenience while fishing, especially at night. Designed for the outdoors, the band is built to resist moisture and dust, meeting IPX5 standards. It's tough enough to handle a little rain, but just make sure to take it off before you jump in for a swim. At just $38, the Smart Band B9 is an affordable and practical tool for any angler. Whether you're fishing in the rain or at night, this smart band adds a layer of convenience and functionality to your gear. It's lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for helping you stay focused on the water without worrying about missing any bites. Purifier is a game-changing camping grill that took Indiegogo by storm. The makers originally aimed to raise $5,000, but ended up with over $160,000 in support. Why? Because it's the lightest camping grill in the world. Weighing just 500 grams, it's made from durable titanium and packs down small enough to fit into an A4 envelope. This incredible portability makes it perfect for campers who want to enjoy a good meal without carrying heavy gear. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just exploring the outdoors, the Bushcraft grill is easy to take anywhere. It's small, lightweight, and gets the job done, just what outdoor adventurers need. Not only is it super convenient, but the Bushcraft is also priced fairly, making it affordable for anyone who loves outdoor cooking. Its popularity on Indiegogo shows how much people appreciate the combination of portability, durability, and a great price. Puffers is an awesome invention for water sports lovers. It's a t-shirt that doubles as a life jacket. Simply use the built-in pump to inflate it, and you're good to go. Whether you're surfing, paddling, or enjoying any water activity, Puffers keeps you safe without getting in the way. The best part? It fits snugly, so it won't restrict your movement. Plus, it comes in a variety of sizes, including options for kids as young as 2 years old. So, it's perfect for the whole family to enjoy. This innovative t-shirt is available on Kickstarter for just $49, offering a unique and affordable alternative to traditional life jackets. It's lightweight, easy to wear, and gives you peace of mind while you're out on the water. Puffers is designed to make water activities safer and more comfortable, so you can focus on having fun. The Cam.G Mini is a must-have safety tool for any camping trip. This tiny, lightweight carbon monoxide detector weighs under 100 grams and fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to take anywhere. The sensors, made in Japan, cover a 5-meter radius and will sound a loud 105 dB alarm if carbon monoxide levels become dangerous, about as loud as a hammer drill. Not only does it detect carbon monoxide, but the Cam.G Mini also displays temperature and humidity, giving you all the info you need to stay safe and comfortable outdoors. It's simple to use, and with just one charge, it will last up to 48 hours, keeping you protected throughout your adventure. For just $65, the Cam.G Mini provides peace of mind in a small, portable package. Whether you're camping in a tent or enjoying an outdoor adventure, this detector helps you stay safe and aware of your surroundings, so you can focus on enjoying your trip. The light water purifier is a must-have for outdoor lovers. This small, automatic device weighs just 220 grams and fits easily into a pocket, backpack, or purse, so you don't have to carry heavy bottled water. It cleans water from streams, puddles, or ponds with almost no effort. Just press the button twice and it gets to work. In just 10 minutes, it can filter up to 9 liters of water, making it perfect for hiking, camping, or travel. With advanced flex filter technology, it removes viruses, bacteria, protozoa, heavy metals, and even tiny plastic particles. You get safe, clean drinking water wherever you go. The best part? Cleaning the filter is simple. Just rinse it with clean water. No need to take it apart or replace parts often. Designed for convenience, this purifier is lightweight, easy to use, and built for adventure. Whether you're exploring the wilderness or preparing for emergencies, it ensures you always have access to fresh water. The RedCamp 28L water container is the perfect solution for staying hydrated on long hikes, camping trips, and outdoor adventures. With sturdy wheels and a foldable handle, it's easy to transport, so you won't have to carry heavy water containers by hand. Just roll it along and enjoy your trip without extra strain. Weighing only 1.8 kilograms when empty, it's lightweight and compact enough to fit easily in your car trunk. Made from food-grade polyethylene, it's completely safe for storing drinking water, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Designed for convenience, it features 2 openings, a wide 8.9 centimeter opening for quick filling and a narrow 4.3 centimeter spout for controlled pouring. This means no spills, no mess, and no wasted water. Whether you're refilling bottles at camp or using it for cooking, it's built for easy handling.